Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Filecoin. Filecoin currently up 26% over the last 1 month, up 18% over the last 1 week, got into as high as $1.33 over the last few days. How high can Filecoin go in 2026? What's the realistic price expectation for Filecoin? We'll look at Filecoin's performance against Bitcoin, Filecoin's performance against Ethereum, Filecoin's performance against we'll look at Falcon's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll look at Falcon's market cap, which currently is below $1 billion. Falcon's market cap currently sits around $884 million. All coins are having a great time over the last 1 week. All coins are supposed to have a great time over the next 1 month. How high can Falcon go? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market has been currently improving. Sentiment is neutral right now. We saw extreme fear grip the cryptocurrency market. Right now, sentiment has become neutral. We're still expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump. That will lead to altcoins having a great time. That will lead to us seeing double-digit gains across the board on the daily time frame, maybe in the altcoin market. But right now, altcoins are already outperforming Bitcoin on a weekly time frame and on a monthly time frame. Filecoin is up 18% over the last 1 week, is up 26% over the last 1 month. For context sake, guys, Bitcoin is up 10% over the last 1 month and it's just up 0.9% over the last 1 week. So it's safe to say all coins are having the time of their life right now. With Filecoin's market cap sitting at the $885 million level, Filecoin has a fully diluted market cap of around $2.22 billion. The all-time high for Filecoin happened on the 1st of April 2021. Filecoin traded for as high as $237. Right now is down 99% from its all-time highs. Remember, guys, Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. The project raised $205 million in an initial coin offering in 2017. And right now, Filecoin is on the blockchain, one of the OG coins we have in the cryptocurrency markets, launched since 2018. Big dump to Goblin Town for Filecoin, down 91% from its all-time highs to March 2020. And then we saw that crazy pump in 2021, 2022, where we saw Filecoin go from as low as $2.5. We saw Filecoin rallying to as high as $239, a 9,200% pump to the upside. But since then, guys, Filecoin has been dumping down to Goblin Town, rightly so. We've seen Filecoin get to as low as $0.78, which is a 99% decline from the all-time highs. But if you have been in the altcoin market long enough, you know that buying low and selling high is the mantra. Buying when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market and selling when extreme greed turns back to the market is a surefire way of making a lot of money in the cryptocurrency market. The first technical level for Filecoin to watch out for Filecoin holders, investors, and traders to watch out for is going to be around the $2.5 level. From where we're currently trading right now, Filecoin giving us a big pump to the upside is going to land around the $2.5 level. Filecoin would have been up 107% from where we're currently trading. We get to as high as the $8.1 level, Filecoin would have been up 626% then, and by then would have been hitting huge resistance level. This resistance level are where Filecoin got rejected before we eventually dumped to Goblin Town, and that's around the $8 level. Filecoin got rejected there in November of 2024, in March of 2024, and way back in February of 2023. And if you go back to around 2019, you see that rally ended for Filecoin around that $8 level. So that $8 level is going to be very pivotal from where we're currently trading right now. For Filecoin to get to the $8 level, Filecoin need to rally up by more than 600% to the upside. Can we continue pumping higher than that? It's always that possibility to continue pumping higher than that. The $26 level is another interesting level to watch out for Filecoin. Can we get to as high as $26 level in 2026? If we see that crazy pump we're expecting the altcoin market, everything works according to plan, Bitcoin dominance dumping, extreme greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market, it will require Filecoin pumping by more than 2,500% to the upside for us to get to as high as $29. Don't forget, $29 was the previous all-time highs in 2018 before we eclipsed that and pumped to as high as $234. In March of 2022, as Falcon was dumping to Goblin Town, we had a little retracement rally here that took us around $27, $28 level before it got rejected, and we dumped down to Goblin Town. So after the $8 level, the most important level for Filecoin is coming around that $29 level. Hopefully, we get to the $29 level at some point in time, 2026. But one thing is sure, guys, all coins are about to go on a ride. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, currently at 60%, Bitcoin dominance could easily plummet down to Goblin Town, which will send all coins flying to the moon, send all coins having double digit gains, triple digit gains, send us singing Kumbaya in the altcoin market. I believe crypto's time is going to come. I believe we're going to see a crazy, crazy pump in 2026, and the seeds of those pump already have been planted. Right now, we're already seeing some little signs of germination. If you look around the altcoin market, double-digit gains here and there, triple-digit gains on some few coins over the last 1 month. Don't be shocked, guys, if the next 1 week proves to be very, very pivotal for all coins in the currency market. If the next 1 week sees Filecoin and other altcoins having crazy, crazy pumps to the upside, there's going to be a lot of FOMO in the market, because right now a lot of market participants are in divided mind. They don't know whether to be bullish, they don't know whether to be bearish. Sentiment says market participants are neutral. Just last month, there was extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Majority of market participants were expecting lower prices. Right now, sentiment is neutral. Hopefully, we'll see some great return over the next few days and the next few weeks. Now, if you look at Falcon's performance against Bitcoin, it's been nothing to write home about. It's been down to Goblin Town. Falcon has drastically dumped, losing more than 99% of its value against Bitcoin. When we're pumping to the upside, guys, we're going to see that pump is going to come very fast, it's going to come very aggressive. You see Filecoin easily pull up 100, 200, even as high as a 500% move against Bitcoin in a short period of time. Historically, that's what all coins do when they go crazy. If you look at Filecoin's performance against Ethereum to similar price action, it's been dumping straight to Goblin Town since when it hit the highs in 2021. And the next big pump to the upside, minor sales get to new all-time highs, but we'll see Falcon substantially gain against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Falcon could easily pull a 1,000, 2,000% move against both Bitcoin and Ethereum and just still be back to prices where we're trading in 2022. That's how dump down to Goblin Town Falcon went to. Falcon lost more than 99% of its value from its fall from all-time highs. A lot of altcoins do that, but then we still buy those altcoins because we want to get those big, big pumps to the upside when altcoin season come around. If you look at Falcon's market cap, critical levels for us to rally past in 2026, assuming we can get to all-time highs, the $1 billion level, very, very interesting to rally past. That's the psychological level for a lot of market participants. When we get to $1 billion, so market participants will start selling. But then that's when we see some big players get back into the market. The $2.5 billion level is another interesting level to watch out for. Then we might still pump to as high as $4.7 billion, all things being equal. If Falcon has to set new all-time highs, we have to rally past the 11.9 to the $12 billion region. And that will see Falcon pumping by more than 1,200% from where we're currently trading. Sentiment is neutral. All coins are pumping. Filecoin is trading around $1.13. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Are you still buying this altcoin? Do you still believe in Filecoin? Do you still believe we're going to see a big pump to the upside for Filecoin in 2026? And when will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.